Mr. Billy Dean, St. Albans, Vermont. You're going to find out why we call it the 2.6 cheater class really fast. Listen to that throttle coming up. Listen to the turbo. Right now, as the barn doors open, here comes the horses. Let her go, son. Take a look there. Listen to that motor. You'll hear the diesel coming to life. You'll hear the turbo start to whine, and you'll cut her loose. Chevrolet, come on here, put it in the horn bar on the side. Last truck of the class, lay her up, son. Let's party one time. Clinton County Fairgrounds, there comes the motor, there's the turbo. Oh! Last warning, get off the fence if you will, or we're going to hold her up. I'll tell you right now, we'll bring it to a standstill. Off the fence to watch the show. Here we go, one more time. Okay, here we go. Green light, green flag. Let her go, baby. 1-9 boy. Throttle coming up. Here comes the turbo. We're ready to go. Camp West Cross guys coming on. He says, boys, let's open up the barn door. Let the horses run one time if we could. And away we go. 2001. Down here, green down yonder, here we go, Highgate, Vermont, Mr. Chandler Point.
In little towns all around this land, we can skin a buck and run a trot line, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive.